slacking on the updates here, but a little Bobcat 323 I picked up last November. I went through and did some stuff, changed all the fluids, got the fuel gauge working, hour meter worked for a little bit and then quit out, repacked a couple cylinders. Just generally went through it. It's been kicking ass up here. All those light piles are some sand that's a couple feet underneath this rock bed we have. It's like 2 feet of that and then turns into sand. Beautiful sand and gravel. Sorry if I'm breathing hard here. Dug up these. Building the rock wall for the most part. Trying to get all this cleaned off so I can easily get around with 10-foot big wet logs and not be tippy and topsy and turvy with the tractor. A couple of Ely Babbitt Class 5 rocks up there I dug out. That's like the second pile of sand gravel I've dug out. We'll walk by that again. Looks pretty good just to use those long teeth on that bucket, the excavator bucket, foot wide. Noodle out those rocks, push them forward, get them out of my way. All those came out of right here. And then just kind of bladed around. And actually the TYM 254 with just a straight edge bucket scoops up. You pretty much lift the whole bucket if I dig in deep and keep tipping it and kipping it and blipping it and fill it up, and I'll put it in the pile. Woodland Mills HM122. Some free red pine logs that I took out of the clear cuts around here. I got a couple of 6x6s out of them. Some weather checking, some cracks on them, but look pretty darn nice and perfectly 6x6 by whatever length. Beautiful little machine. If you buy one, just make sure you set it up real level and on a nice plane. 254, thing's almost at 250 hours. Bought it in December of 21 with 19 hours, but as new, technically a 2014 model. Upgraded quick attach bucket. About 400 pounds on the back. This spring I added some the large industrial tires. I had the small industrial tires, and huge advantage being able to run around in there. There's the left ram on the loader is leaking. The longer one towards the rear. I'll get it done soon. I got the kid at home. Here's some poplar and maple that came off the sawmill last fall. Looking good. Moisture content's nice and low. There's a pretty good gravel pile. It's got to be 20 some feet long. Actually just bought a rock bucket. I should have it this week. There's 2-inch slots in it. Should be able to comb out a lot of those bigger rocks. Oh, look at that beautiful gravel down in there underneath of this. So the goal is to dig all that out as much as I can, as much as I need, as much as I want, and then push all these damn rocks back in there. That's but birds and wind up here, folks. Started a little trail over there down towards our outhouse this morning with Bobcat 323. It is dry up here. Move some pines out of the way. Beautiful back in the shade. Mosquitoes aren't too bad because it's dry. Down the hill. The trail heading off that way. Outhouse is about 100 feet down the hill yet, off to the left. I'll get there. This was 20 minutes worth of work, I suppose. Pick up the big rocks, push the little ones in the holes, and I'll eventually fill it with some topsoil. Get outside, do something. Later.